All right, guys, first generation 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Beautiful car, tuxedo setup, as you can see. Nice big cowl induction. Sits on these beautiful torque thrust American racing wheels. You got four-wheel power disc brakes with the BFGoodrich tires all around. Real nice paint. Chrome is great. Lenses, trim is all new here on the rear tail lights. Dual exhaust. Wheel and tire package is brand new. Vent windows only on the 67 model, if you didn't know that. I mean, look at this wicked stance, guys. Wow. RS headlight doors do work. They've been upgraded for electric as well. Isn't that something? Wait till you see what's under the hood. Upgraded gauges, beautiful. Dual gauge package, Hurst shifter, console buckets, beautiful dash, nice tight headliner. Dome lights work, packet tray is good. Got an upgraded steering column, all aluminum here with tilt wheel. Let's go take a listen from the back. Wow. Y'all ready? Boom! 350 supercharged, guys. B&M forced induction, aluminum heads, headers, newer booster cylinder for the four-wheel disc, MSD setup, aluminum radiator. Wow, this thing is bad boy. Look at this thing. Oh my God, it's like a piece of candy. Let's talk detail. So financing is available for this thing. That's not a problem. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about some options that you guys can get. Obviously, the wheel and tire package is done. It's freaking beautiful. All the chrome is nice on the car. If you wanted to tint the windows, we can tint all the windows, including the windshield, to make that thing real stealth. You guys have that. We can give you a quote for that. Talk to your sales rep. That is an additional cost to the vehicle. Also, if you wanted to do like a Kenwood Bluetooth radio with 6x9s in the back and then kick panel speakers in the front, we have that package available as well that we can do and add on to the vehicle. You also have a 7-inch heads-up display unit LED for a rear view backup camera. If you guys wanted that installed, we can do that as well. Air conditioning kits are available as well. As far as like cosmetics, if you guys wanted to do a 2-paint step correction on this, you can, but I mean the paint looks great. If you want to do ceramic coating, we have that option for $695. It's a great deal special that we're having right now at MGM. So you guys can do all of that stuff. And now all of those add-ons can be rolled into your loan. Okay, so keep that in mind. So as far as our loan, you'll need two things. You'll need good credit, and then you would need the down payment for this thing. What is the down payment? 10% of our price that's shown on our website. Okay, and then you can also add your sales tax if you need be for your state. And your delivery charge if you need to do that as well. If your credit score is around 625 to 775, again, you will need those term requirements. All approvals are based off your credit profile. For those of you over 780 credit score, I possibly have a no money down option for you. Rates do start at about 7%. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you guys need delivery, you're going to call or text. If you don't text, then just call. If I don't answer, I'm doing this. You can, leave me a message. I will call you back. Leave me a message with your name, your phone number, your make and model, and most importantly, your zip code, and I'll get you a quote right to your driveway. Open or enclosed carriers, we do offer both as well. So grab a pen. For those of you that can text me, you'll get a quicker response. So my number is area code 847-848-1850. So look forward to talking to you guys. My name's Thomas. Thanks for watching MGM.